Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add dissolve transition in a video using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we have selected a blank video template in the Canva, and here I'm just searching for travel in the elements, and here we can add any image or video, right? So we have selected and successfully added this video in the background. Right now we are going to create a new page. So I have added a new page, and here I'm going to add another video, right? For example, this one. And now I'm going to add one more video to this particular page. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to edit each and every clips transition, right? We are going to add transition in between them, which is of dissolve, and we are going to increase the duration so it could be more visible, right? Okay, so you create good content. Yeah, I know that. It's only because of you guys, right? You guys give me a lot motivation, which makes me to do so. Okay, we are going to trim it because we don't have much time, right? We are going to trim each and every clip so that we can finish it faster, right? Done. And now the third one clip, again we are editing it and we are making it of lesser duration. We are just trimming it down, right? Okay, it's done. And now let me show you the entire complete full video, right, which you were waiting for to get created. Let me choose the full screen. Okay, you can add music to it as well, right? So why this video is getting hanged? Because I am using lots of apps together, right? But in your case it would not happen like this, right? So in this manner you can simply create a long dissolve transition effect in a video using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.